promise you my chest makes me look like I'm big as a house, but period. I'll do the sunny side. I don't know why I always have to feel like I have to sing my intro, but judge your mammy. Welcome back, y'all. And to my new people, how y'all doing? Well, first things first, we're sunny over here, sunny side up. I'm ashy, but that's okay. That's okay. I hope all of my baby, all of my little sun sprites, you guys are all sunny side up today and not scrambled. We don't want scrambled eggs. Well, we do, but you know. Anyways, so today we're fitting to do we're finna get a little fancy, you know, nothing too crazy. But I decided that I wanted to try a French toast. I about called it a McMuffin, but it would be a French toast English muffin stuffed with strawberry cream cheese. It's gonna be sausage, egg, and cheese, and of course, you know, we need our maple syrup, sweet and savory, period. Sweet and savory. As you can see, I got part of my mise en place here. I didn't have room for everything. I need some new one of these, but anywho. So I got these English muffins. I got them from Walmart. Apparently, I guess people must be going crazy over these right now. I didn't know that. I just happened to see them because I like English muffins and I like fresher made items like this. So I typically get my bagels like that. I don't know what made me think about English muffins to do this today, but you know, I just went with it. I was like, cool, period. We're gonna make, you like my t-shirt? Half the time, this is true. But don't judge me. Of course, first things first, we need to go ahead and chop up our strawberries. Before I forget, like, share, comment, subscribe. What more do I have to say? Do we need to find? Gonna give them a good rinse, and then we're gonna chop them up. I like get mad at myself when I'm trying to choose strawberries and stuff like that because I almost want every berry, every fruit to be almost perfect, and I know that's not. But you know, it's just like when the majority of the darn box is ghetto, what do you do? I'm just gonna chop them up really, well, not fine, but you know. I'm gonna chop them up real good, pretty small. We're gonna take some cream cheese and we're gonna add some in the bowl. You don't need like a ton because I'm only making 2. Because it's just me and they. I'll get you some cream cheese. So now we're just gonna take some cream cheese, a little sugar, and some strawberries and mix that on together. And incorporate it. You should have something that looks like this. Don't put it in a piping bag. No, you do not need a tip. Just make the hole big enough for the strawberries to come through, and we're gonna hollow out the English muffin and then squeeze it in there. So we're gonna go ahead and get this scooped inside of our piping bag. And then we can set it off to the side. I'll probably refrigerate it for a little bit. This cream cheese. I'm gonna go ahead and get the sausage started because I'm gonna use crumbles and mix it in my eggs. That way I get sausage in every bite instead of it sliding around on my sandwich. Now you can add whatever other seasonings you want. This sausage obviously is pre-seasoned. Normal breakfast sausage. But if you want to add more to it, you can. Sometimes depending on what I'm cooking, I'll add like brown sugar, a little honey, you know, the sweet and savory thing. And please don't oil your pan when you put the sausage in there. It's already got oil. Usually it's pork sausage, so that's what I'm saying. It's already a good amount of fat in there. You don't need it. But when we get done, we're going to use that to make our eggs. So don't get rid of the fat in there. That's flavor. You see all those crispy, nice bits in there? That's flavor. All of that flavor. So I'm gonna use this to cook my eggs. All right, so I'm just gonna make about 3 scrambled eggs. Well, not scrambled, but I'm gonna make a patty, if you will. So I added some of this, some salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. So we're just gonna mix up our eggs. Use a fork so you can put some air in them holes. You wanna put air in them, not be making a mess. All right, so now we're gonna add our sausage in. That should be enough, maybe a little more. Give that a good mix. And then we're ready for a skillet. Now for our egg mixture, we're gonna add about a teaspoon, or maybe a half a teaspoon actually, of vanilla. Some milk. Maybe a little more milk. Cinnamon. And some nutmeg. And then we're gonna add just a little, add some sugar. All right, give that a good mix. You can make that half a teaspoon, a whole teaspoon of vanilla, but get it all mixed together, and I'm gonna get it in the refrigerator, and then we're gonna make our eggs, and then we're gonna get our, well, first we're gonna get our bread prepped, then we're gonna make our eggs. It's so sad I keep wanting to call this a McMuffin, but we're gonna get our English muffin prepped. So you see it's already thin, right? I'm literally just fitting to come in here like that and then just go between. I have to be very careful though. Don't want to break the other side if I can help it. This is a good thick one, so this will be better. So I'm gonna go ahead and get our mixture squoze into our, see what I'm saying though? Get it into the middle of our English muffin. So I'm just gonna carefully insert and squeeze and make sure I get it in there evenly. Go back in at the other one. Don't be shy. Okay, that should be good. So the way I'm gonna do my eggs is I'm not gonna scramble them per se, but I am going to make a, so I didn't want to pull out my little machine that makes the little egg rounds. So I'm gonna just make my own makeshift one. I'm gonna get a spoon. Make sure the pan is hot, and I'm gonna spoon some of this in the middle, but I'm gonna keep my spatula and I'm gonna move it towards myself. I'm gonna spoon a little eggs and move it towards myself, and then just keep spooning like that till I have like a little patty. So you see what I'm saying? See? It's not all the way around, but you know. We're gonna take some butter and get it spread out on the pan. This is Irish butter. You can use whatever butter you want. That's just what I had in my fridge at the moment, but I usually like non-American butter better than anything. We're gonna take our cream cheese stuffed top and just put it in the mixture. The egg is gonna seal up that hole we made, and then we're just gonna lay it in the pan this side down. Do the same with the bottom. And you want to get all that egg and all those nooks and crannies so we can have French toast. Ooh, look at how pretty. So during the cooking process, I waited a little bit till these cooked, and I dipped them back in another time in the egg mixture, just so it could soak in all of that bread, because remember, it is a English muffin, so it's a little tougher than your normal bread. She got tough skin. Ooh, yeah, that's nice. Look at that. I just need y'all to know, these smell phenomenal. Like, can I just show y'all? Beautiful. Look at the cream cheese oozing out. Look at it. And the finishing touch is some syrup. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir. Yeah, I split mine and added some more cream cheese. Oh my god. That looks delicious. Alright, so now I'm gonna taste this. I'm excited, y'all. Let's see what end I wanna go on. Here we go. So this is a strawberry cream cheese French toast English muffin sandwich and sausage, egg, and cheese. Y'all, first of all, your syrup matters. Maple syrup, real maple syrup. The cream cheese is perfect. I love cream cheese and strawberries. Like, who doesn't? And the saltiness from the sausage, the eggs. I put some American cheese in the eggs. I did. I don't care. Judge your mama. But honey eggs. Honey eggs. That's a go. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish my food. There's nothing left to it. And those of you who have been staying on the sunny side, got your egg sunny side up, y'all doing that thing. That's the whole goal. Remain sunny side up. Don't let your eggs scramble. Okay? Okay. Love you. Honey, I hope y'all enjoyed. Please try it out. But yes, like, stuff it what you want. All I know is I'm finna smash. Okay. I love ya. Bye.